Welcome, scalpers. I'm going to take this cell right here.
Order submitted.
We just had a break of the previous with the small arrow here. Now we got a ultimate AI arrow here as well.
Order filled.
My stop-ins, my first trade of the day, starting late. This is the 1 minute NQ, so I trail pretty close because it moves crazy.
Order canceled.
All right. And still a bigger move down. And break of the signal candle would have been a winner too. It was too quick. I didn't get in on that one. But all these signals so far here, since I got here, turned on my computer, are winners in the last 30 minutes or so anyway. Anyway, took one trade today only. And I'll look for another one, try to record it. It didn't happen on the signal candle. It may happen on this candle, which is also a small arrow and a break of the previous, all sorts of signals here. I should get a little ride
Order
up.
filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
If I make it up to this
Stop
area
filled.
here, all right, I'm already stopped out, but so what? Two beautiful trades right here. Bunch of signals on each one. That's that.